those that have not done, or what have you been able to do, and let's just correct it. And also, I'll be going through everyone that has written a story. So today, I'm a BA mentor, not a BA PO.
Oh,
So
nice. Good.
yeah, so I'll be giving feedback on stories. I'll be correcting it together. So there is no shame in sharing. This is a free zone.
I restricted.
I'm supposed to upload you people's yesterday's video, but I've not uploaded it. I'm sorry. I begged you. I apologize. I will upload it this night because it's on my system and I had to go to work today. So I couldn't. I've not had time. I just got back not too long ago. So who's our first taker? Muiwa, please mute yourself. I'm hearing myself back from me. Okay, thank you very much.
It's not me. Wow.
It's not you. Are you sure? Okay, let me mute everybody that bit. All right. Okay. Who wants to share their screen first? Who wants to be the first to go? Any takeouts? Any takeouts? Everybody was just here now. You are quiet.
So there are some of my user stories that are yet to be approved. I don't know.
This is not approval meeting.
No, I just want you to check, convert it.
Yeah. I'll check that. But let's go through process map. Anybody who has done process map first.
Can I share my own?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do process map first, and then we'll do that. We have 2 hours for this meeting, so.
All right.
Anyways, it always exceeds 2 hours with you guys, so let's do this. Okay. Yay. So what's your process? Okay, admission process. All right. Can you
Please don't be carried away by color.
Yeah, it's the color that first caught me. But this white text that you used to write your yes and your no, can you see it?
I was looking for a way to delete it, but I didn't see the delete whatever there.
Okay, if we click on it.
On this place?
On your yes, where you wrote yes. So what you did wuru wuru to the answer. You're supposed to write your yes inside the arrow. Just double click on that arrow. And again, because of the kind of arrow you use, okay, I know what happened. You use separator for that place instead of arrow. Okay. Yeah. But yeah, you understand the concept, which is good. So if you click on view, first things first, wait, before you click on view, you see this connector, press the X and press on pointer to up, scroll up on the dashboard. You see where connector is. Just lift your
head. Connector,
yeah. Click on the cancel.
Okay.
Yeah, and click on pointer to. No, just click on pointer to. You don't need to click that box. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, you're good. Then go to view. View. Just lift your head. You see it.
View.
Yeah.
Okay.
View, not review. Yeah.
Okay. I should click it.
Yeah. Click on auto connect. Okay. So these your arrows. If you click on any of your shapes, you will see what happens now. Click on any of your shapes. Anyone.
Okay.
Anyone that does not have any arrow, you see the arrows,
Yeah.
those blue arrows, for
Okay.
you to easily. So you are not supposed to use separator. You did wuru wuru to theirs.
When I didn't see what
Ah,
I was looking for, but
yeah,
I
you
guess
were looking for arrow, but you didn't get it. Then you decided to formulate your own arrow. But it's good. Like you're thinking like a BA, always finding workarounds, not letting anything stop you, which is good. Okay, so yeah, the candidate starts, browse through the system, apply for admission. The university reviews the admission, the request for additional documents. So, so what you are saying by this is no. So you don't do or not. You don't do or. Do you get in your decision point?
okay.
So whatever you say, provide additional document and you put a question mark. That's the point of the question mark. So for every decision point, it has to have a question mark at the end. Do you get?
Okay.
So
Okay.
that shows that you are taking a decision. So provide additional documents. If yes, it forwards. What happens to the no? If it's a no, what happens? You did not show us that process.
Okay.
Yeah.
If no,
So
that means it will be rejected.
if it's a no, it means that what?
Yeah, I'm going to stop there.
Okay, so you are ending this person's process if it's a no, right?
No, I'm not ending. You said we have the former and informal. What do you call it yesterday? The detailed and the undetailed one.
Yeah,
So I
no,
want to show
it's
detail.
not detailed and undetailed though. Don't get me
One
wrong. I
added.
said high level and low level. One
High
is
level and low level.
summarized.
So that's what
One
that's
is
the language I've been looking for.
yeah. One is summarized. It does not mean that it has less detail. So let me say one is concise and one has goes into a lot of details. One is concise. Being concise does not necessarily mean it has to be small. It's just that or it doesn't have details. It's just that it's not as broken down as the low level. Yeah. So I'm saying that if this candidate does not send the additional documents, what happens to the candidate's journey? Does he end or does the candidate's journey end here or it doesn't? And then what happens? Because you need to say, okay, if it's a yes, okay, this is what happens in the happy path. If it's a no, what happens?
This is a yes.
Yes, I know. That's what I said. If
Okay.
this candidate does not provide this document, what happens?
That means the journey will end here.
Exactly. So you have to indicate that because you did not indicate it, right? You have to
Okay, how do I indicate it?
It's either you put an arrow up, right? You put an arrow pointing up and put the oval shape and right end there for this journey, for this candidate journey, and that indicates that this candidate journey has ended.
Okay.
Yeah. So however, please use the right arrow. Remove all of these arrows that you have used and use the right arrow for it. Like this is just a straight line. So just tick on it and delete. Press delete on your laptop. Press delete on your laptop. Or right click and delete. Right click. Right click.
That's what I'm doing.
Just press delete on your laptop. It's going to delete.
I'm pressing delete, it's not going.
That's strange.
Okay.
Supposed to delete. Wait 1 minute. Let me just see what's happening. Delete is working on my own laptop. Oh, what's going on? Just highlight on it and delete. That's it. It's working on my laptop. Let me see if I use. Was it separate or you used?
Yes. I
You're
just click it.
supposed to delete too. Once you just click on it, you delete. Okay. Mm-hmm. Just press delete on your laptop. You know what? Go to home and click on connector. Click on connector. Yeah. So the reason I asked you to click on connector is so that it stops disturbing you it stops bringing out that arrow. So click on that. Click on this line. Okay. You get what I mean. Just find a way to delete them and connect them, and then ensure that you put an end to this, and your process too has an end. Like, where does it end? What happens? Why are these arrows going back like this? Is there a reason, or it was just a mistake when you were practicing?
Okay. Let me quickly explain it.
Okay.
So from start, to browse the system, apply for admission, then school review. After that, then school request for additional document, which is part of the process. So go back to the student to provide additional document. So either he provides or not, that's where the decision making of the student, of the candidate. So
yeah, you don't remove this note as well, or not?
Yes, I will remove it.
Okay. Just double click inside your
Okay.
and put a question mark behind the document.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then the student forwarded the relevant documents. So then school offered the admission. So they offer unconditional acceptance. Offer unconditional letter of acceptance to the student. The student accept the offer.
What does unconditional acceptance mean? Sorry, I don't know. I'm just asking, because I don't know. What does it mean?
That's the final admission. They will first of all offer the provisional admission. The first provisional admission is they are telling you that they might still withdraw the admission if you don't provide all the relevant documents. So upon when you provide all the relevant documents, when they are satisfied, that's when they will issue the provisional letter of acceptance to you.
Okay. So does the student make a decision at this point?
Yeah, he has to accept. When they
but you did not put that.
Yeah, he accept the offer up.
No, but you did not put the decision, because when you say that plus this accept offer is a process. You can't use this oval shape for it. Do you get? So when you're talking about process, every shape has a meaning. Every single shape has a meaning. So you can't say I want to be creative with process map. It has its own meaning. You can easily change the shape. If you click on it, go to change shape of the shape to process. Change shape, just lift your eyes.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see it? Just above where you were.
Change
You still can't find it. You have to click on it before it highlights. Yeah. Yeah, now it has highlighted. Just lift your head above where you are. See,
Okay.
above where you are.
Okay.
You still not seeing it?
I can see shape styles.
Change shape.
Go to your right, up to your right. Okay, I've seen it. Okay.
Just above where you were pressing.
I'm seeing it.
No. Oh,
At this point, he
okay.
has to make decision now. I think
Is
this
it
one
is
represents this.
is he okay? Okay. Accept offer, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then what happens? But this is a good this is a good start. You get the concept. Yeah. So just clean up your process map. Do you get and create one for your project? That'll be the next thing.
Okay.
Yeah. But you have an understanding of what it is, and this is a good one. So just remember to whenever you do a decision, always do the process for yes and no. What happens when it is a yes? What happens when it is a no? Do you get? It's not every no that is compulsory for the journey to end. Some no, the journey continues. Some no, it goes back to a previous journey. Some no, it becomes an entire circle. So just know what happens because you have to capture both the yes and the no of your process. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Great job. Well done.
Thank you.
Who
After
else?
that, accept the offer, then it stops here.
No, it can't stop. When you make a decision, something must happen. Okay, if it's a yes, now you have said this is a decision, so that means there needs to be a yes and no process. If it's a yes, what happens? If it's a no, what happens? So you have to capture those ones. You just delete all this your arrow and let your arrow go so that you can have space to do
Okay.
what you want to do. Yeah. All this arrow they are disturbing you.
Okay. I will
Yeah.
not go around it.
Just click on it. Normally you're just supposed to click on it and then press delete on your laptop and it goes away. I don't know why it's not going away for you, but that's what normally happens. Just press delete on your keyboard and it goes away.
That's what I'm doing.
It also depends on maybe okay, I know what's happening. I think I know what's happening. I think I
Okay.
do. Um so uh yeah, that's how. What did you press? Delete.
Is this laptop or that is only
Mm,
to me? Okay, it's going now. Thank you.
yeah, and that. Okay, who else wants to share their screen? Who else wants to show what they have done?
I want to.
Okay, please can you stop sharing Muiwa so that
Thank
the
you.
next person can share? You're welcome. Please share your screen. Mademoiselle.
Can you see that?
It looks like it. Yes, I can. Practice one and practice two. Most practice. Most practice. Wow, this is interesting. So please go to the beginning of this. Let us see. Ah, ah. Okay. Can you scroll down? Can you scroll? You even put dates. Hey. This is good. You put dates. That's interesting.
My guy's guy.
You can remove the title. You don't need to put title as long as you put this job application process. That's the title. Anybody that sees it knows that's the title. Okay, so talk us through your process map.
Okay, so job application process. We have the applicant.
Okay, you have
The
a third swim
applicant.
lane. What's your third swim lane about?
It's about no. I think I just this one to practice. Let me share the second one.
Okay.
This is not the one I did. Let me just share the.
You can just go to file. If you go to file, you'll be able to see all your
Okay, yeah.
yeah. Yeah, interesting. Interesting stuff. But this your arrow, what happened to it? Why is it having an accident at the end? Why is it having an accident at the end?
I tried using the converter instead, so I said join.
As a being.
Okay. No worries. All right. Okay, talk us through your wireframe.
The site navigation panel. We have the instructor. So the instructor can either be a registered one or unregistered one. So if you're registered, when you start, you can navigate to the home page. When you get to the home page, you log into your account on the website.
Wait, 1 minute, wait. So this is not your user story, right?
This
So
is acceptance criteria.
It's not also your acceptance criteria. This is your process map. So you are not writing it as if you are writing it to the user. How will I explain? It's for the user. You're talking about an end-to-end journey, but you're not writing it like acceptance criteria. So you're just writing actions, log into account. Do you get?
Okay.
You don't necessarily need to put the same way you put it on your acceptance criteria. What I was trying to say yesterday was that your acceptance criteria can be if it's well written, it will be a great guide on you creating your entire process map journey. It will be a great guide, but you don't necessarily have to copy what is in your acceptance criteria or what exactly how it is in your acceptance criteria. So you don't write you don't personalize it. You don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just say log into account. We already know that is a website, right? So yeah, you already told us that navigate to home page. So we already know that is a website. You don't need to. Okay. So as a registered user, okay. Here is the thing. Okay. So here's the thing. I think that your swim lane should not be registered and unregistered user. I think your swim lane should be instructor and system. You just need to. So the way your journey will be, right, will now be start, navigate home page, registered user, question mark. So it will be a decision. If it's not, then you request that the user registered, right?
Wait, let me
So
recap.
this
Let me
needs to
recap
register,
that.
create an account. So it's the system. So now it will now go back to the system and create an account. Then system the system will now create an account, enter details, then the system will receive those details and then cross check if those details are in alignment with the what they call it, what you have written, like the criteria of the website. So if it is, system will create an account for the user. If it's not, the system will request that they enter correct details. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you don't need registered and unregistered user. The instructor swim lane can
And the
do the
system.
job. So you need the system, how the system will relate with the instructor. So I know that this is how you've written it in your acceptance criteria, I mean in your PBIs, which
Yeah.
is good. Yeah. But it is one journey. You can capture this journey in the instructor because it's one person that is carrying out the journey. So the way swim lane works is between two different the communication between two different things, either a department or a system. So for instance, if me, you, Muiwa, and Kingsley, right? We are in different departments, but we need to communicate because our system. So, like the example of job applicants, HR, and agency, right? The three of them, they are connected because processes are making them connected. Do you understand the concept? But when it's
Yes.
one person, you don't necessarily have to divide it because it's still the same person that is, like, an instructor can either be registered or unregistered, right?
Yes.
So is the system. Now we have the instructor and the system, both of them are communicating with each other. So one sends a message, the other receives it and send it back to you, and then is like a circle that you are completing. So that's why process map is never straight. It's never a straight line. If you see a straight process map, something is wrong. Especially when it's swim lane, it goes up, down, up, down, up, down. Even ordinary flow charts goes up, down. It's never straight because there are things that are communicating with each other and it's going like a graph. It will go up, it will come down, it will go up, it will come down. Do you get my point?
Yes.
Yeah, you got the concept, but you just need to just work on that feedback that I just gave to you. And also always use uh text that you can read because this blue against the green is hard to read. See the following profile. Okay, so you did this the way you wrote your acceptance criteria.
Yes. Like you
Yeah.
can click on
So
hamburger. It's either collapse or expand. If it expands, then you see the profile.
yeah, yeah. That's not really how process map works. So it's talking about the processes. So when you're writing your, like, if you want to use that um skill, like harnessing from your acceptance criteria to create your process map, look at what are the key processes, like what's the major thing that you cannot miss. So if you don't do it, we cannot go further in the process. So if you want to use that, because expanding and collapsing is not, like, even if you don't collapse or expand it, you can still click through all those pages. Do you get, just using the icon? The icons will still redirect you to those pages. So it's not a major process. So what process map captures is major processes, like major process in the journey. So for that side navigation panel, what are the major processes there? Okay, you navigate. Yeah, you have to be registered before you can even see it, right? So
Yes.
before you can even see it, you have to be registered. And then where does he take you to? How does he navigate you? Right? So those are the major processes. What's the function of the site navigation panel? What's the function? What's the major function of it? To navigate you through pages, right? So those are the things that you capture, the things that you feel like um users can easily miss. Another thing I want to mention is that process map can be used for training. You can use it to train your users. Do you get? So you can use it as a training tool that at the end of the project, now you want to deliver this project. Of course, you will do a user guide, and then you will see like some companies now, like I don't know those that buy things from Shein. If you buy things from Shein, there is always a paper. In that paper, there is a flow chart on how you can return. So they drew a flow chart of how your process of returning should be. So they are using it to train you, giving you visuals, even though they've written it, they are giving you visuals of how it will be. So now you've created a system and you are delivering it, you want to onboard your users, you can actually use this to show them, oh, when you click this, this is what happens. And if you miss this point, this is what will happen. This is how the system will respond. And like that, like that. Do you understand? So you can use it for, like, process map is really, really good. You can use it um for training of users. You can use it for um getting sign off. You can use it for what else? You can use it
Want to
for
do
sign.
jollof rice?
Ah,
Jollof rice.
you can use it for jollof rice. You can use it for what else? I can't remember now. But yeah, you can use for gap analysis because your assistant should be. You can use for gap analysis. What else? What else? Help me. Yeah, so it's a really, in a nutshell, it's a really, really good to, if you know how to do process map. Some companies employ people to just do process map for them. So it's a good thing. And some companies employ people for wireframing too. If you know these artifacts, it's really good. All right. Thank you, Bukola. Well done. Well done on this attempt. It's a good one. Please stop doing join for stop doing
Okay, I stop.
join for us. All right.
It will get
Thank
better.
Who else wants to show us what they've done?
Me.
Who is me?
It's
Who
okay.
bears me? Ah, Yahweh. Who is me? Please, we are waiting for me. Oh, me, Salome. Yay, Salome. Salome. Okay, you guys are really doing amazing. Okay, user and admin. Start, register as a student. Okay, talk us through your process map. So instead of satisfied and not satisfied, change it to yes, no. And
What do you say I should take satisfiers?
is yes
Yes,
and no.
no.
Okay.
Need clarification. Okay, okay. I see what you try to do. Okay, now it's confusing. but I see what you are trying to do. But talk us through your process now.
Okay.
You
It's
sound
like
very
learning
far, or is it
platform.
just me?
Hello?
Come closer. Don't be afraid. Closer. A little more.
Okay.
Yes, now we have you.
Yeah, right. So the process map is like a learning process, a learning platform that a user wants to use.
Mm-hmm.
So he or she starts up, got the link of the website,
Mm-hmm.
then clicked on it, registered as a student, but registered, but was not wanted more clarification about what the program is all about. So
Okay. So,
sent, yeah,
okay, 1 minute. So a user has registered as a student, right?
yeah,
And okay, you are saying that this student is requesting clarification from the admin, right?
yes.
Okay, so this this process is the student that is doing it. So whatever process that is in any swim lane. So you are saying that now from what you did here, you are saying by putting this in the admin swim lane, you are saying the admin needed clarification about the program. That's what this means.
Okay.
Yeah. So anybody that is doing the process is has to have that process in their swim lane. Do you get?
Okay, yes.
Yeah. So um now student user has registered as a student, right?
Yeah.
Needs clarification. So yeah, the admin gives details. So
Yeah.
this you're satisfied is supposed to now be a decision that the student is taking. That's satisfied and not
Okay.
I'm not satisfied. So you will
Okay.
say satisfied and put question mark. If it's a yes,
Oh,
right? If it's a yes, then students goes ahead and
okay.
enrolls to the program. But wait, oh wait, who am okay. So you are saying that when the admin has given more details, so it's going to always be in present tense.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So now admin has given more details to this particular student. So are you saying that the student then goes ahead to enroll for the program?
Yes, like sign up
Okay,
for.
so but here's the thing, because you can't use process for decision. Do you
Okay.
get? So
Yeah.
it has to have so you are missing one step now before this enrolled. You don't need to delete it. You can shift it because it's not enrolled for to the program. So you are going to ask satisfied because you are coming like this. You are saying that it needs clarification, right? Admin gives the clarification. Now you're asking the student if the student is satisfied. So change this one back to um process, right? Change it
Okay.
back to process, and then we'll do magic together. So highlight on all of this process, like from this enrolled, no, from enrolled to program. Yeah, good. Down. No, to your right, sorry. To your right. Okay, yeah, that's fine as well. Good. Now use your cursor to shift them. Put it on the Yeah, no, not that one, not that one. It has to change to that diamond kind of shape. So put your cursor. Oh, okay. I have to wait for your Visio to respond. Well, it's already 9 o'clock. What happened to your Visio? What's going on? Okay. Why Salome is trying to sorry about the background noise. Why Salome is trying to fix her Visio. Who else wants to share? Who else wants to share, please? Tosin, Israel, Kingsley, I'll call everybody's name here.
Person is still on the road.
Okay.
Fortunately. Okay.
Oyedele Adegboyega, Delia. Delia, is that the pronunciation of your name? Delia. Delia.
My name is actually Cordelia. For most of my friends, they call me Delia. I just go by Delia.
I can't hear you. Like it's hard to hear you. What did you say?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah. But you are doing some DJ work in the background. It's really scratching.
I'm doing DJ. Okay, is it clearer now?
Yes. Now it's clear. You're back
Maybe
to us.
it's aside of
Okay. I said my
Okay.
name, my full name is Cordelia.
Oh, so you're not shortening it to
most of my
Delia.
friends, they call me Delia, so I just go by Delia.
Ah, nice. Such bouginess. It's such a bougie name. Like
Like an
call
old
me
school.
Delia. Delia.
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to show us what you've done? Like your process map.
Okay, so when it comes to Visio, I didn't just want to go on about it. I've actually got an impediment when it comes to that.
But you
In the
never
sense,
said anything.
no, I didn't want to say it because it's a personal one, not because I wouldn't be able to do it, but because I haven't actually installed it. Because I don't know, I didn't want to talk about this, but I might just briefly explain why I haven't. So I've been using my work laptop for years now, so I don't really use my personal laptop. So it's just been there. It's only when this program started, I just brought it out. But the Windows on it is like, it's very outdated now. So I couldn't. I tried to install Visio, but I wasn't able to because I need to upgrade the Windows from what it is now to at least 10, 11. So I couldn't use it. So I didn't want to say it because it's a personal thing. It's not like
But it's
of
best that you
years or
say it
prep
now.
mate.
We can always find a workaround. That's our job as BA. So now that you said it, I already have a workaround for you in my
Oh,
head.
thank you.
You see, when you don't talk, you cannot get
I just felt like, oh my God, I don't want to say this now because it's not really anything you've done wrong or prep major. It's just me. I noticed my laptop I'm using for this program. The Windows on it is old, but my work laptop, I didn't want to use it because I don't want to, like do anything on it and they'll call me and say, oh, why are you using your laptop for XYZ, if you get what I mean. So
Get you. All right. You can use the web version. So I can send you a web version that you can use. Like I'll just send you the link and then you can set it up.
All right, okay, that's
Web version. Yeah.
all right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Please, is there a way to stop my sharing? My
You
laptop
stop
is
sharing
hanging.
already. Maybe your laptop is hanging.
Yes.
Okay, your
Yeah.
laptop is a DJ tonight, so dear. So many DJs in my class today. Yeah, you stopped sharing a long time ago. You might just need to restart your system.
Yeah, I'm starting it. I just use my phone to join.
Okay. Kingsley, where's your process map? Larry, where's your process map? Okay, Muiwa is showing you his own. Ogachukwu, where's your process map?
Process map not ready.
Why?
Sorry,
What happened?
getting ready.
You are still cooking it.
Yes, please.
When will it be done?
Hopefully it will be done tomorrow.
Are you Hilda Basi?
What is your definition of done, Kingsley?
My definition of done is when it's better than everybody's own. After
Are you
peeping from everybody's
Basi? How many days are you using to cook?
Yes.
Today is day 2. How many do you have to break Blue Sky record of longest?
No, that's not a good. That one is not a good record. You know, at the time I was asking them, what is that lady cooking? Say that she's cooking for how many hours? Different food. I said, oh, I thought it's just
different foods. No. Like 160 or 170, many like that.
Cooking. So mine will be ready. In all honesty, it's been very tough for me for the past 3 days. I'm just trying to meet up. Well, I'm sure I'm going to be able to level up things by tomorrow.
Kingsley, I hope your topic is on childcare.
Childcare.
Yes, I want to see nanny. How you change that pass? How you do this?
I will just look for an easy topic. I could just say, I could just build an enterprise level business intelligence.
Okay, amazing.
And give it to everybody to go and build.
Okay. I get my class back. Thank you. Larry, where is your process map?
Bolu, please, can I quickly share my own? What I'm trying to do, when I click the arrow, it's giving me like another different kind of arrow.
I know why. Share your screen. Let me show you why.
All right.
Oh, apologies. I apologize. Okay, yeah, I know why. It's because the connector is on. So if you close that connector, click on cancel.
I've done that.
And click on pointer tool. Click on pointer tool. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be good now.
Okay.
And delete that. And yeah. Now go highlight on. Yeah. So just click that. Just click that arrow. Yeah, that's it.
Is it bringing that up arrow?
Yeah, because it's too close to each other, so it will give you crooked arrows. It's not double pointed. It's just crooked.
Okay.
It's not a bad thing.
Okay.
Please, can you show us the magic with Mayowa's work?
With
Mayowa's work, like how to add more shapes without getting to delete.
Oh, okay. Without getting to delete, just click on.
Yeah, you wanted to show us how to add more shapes, like more connections, without altering the one we have done already.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, what I was showing Salome, what I was trying to do with Salome.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So Muiwa, we can highlight from start. From start.
Jesus. You mean from here?
No, inside your swimming.
Okay, from start. Okay.
No, like drag your mouse across and start. Yeah, it has to, yeah. Drag it to the right. Highlight everything.
Okay.
Okay, so put your mouse in the middle, up, like okay. Yeah, you see as your mouse has changed to that diamond shape, it has to change to a diamond shape. Like put your mouse there. You have to no, not on that one. Like just put it anywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. He has to change. Once he changes the, yeah, it's okay. Now drag it. Yeah. Keep dragging. Okay. It's fine.
I should drop it.
Yeah. So tick out of it. I'm just assuming that you want to create space in front, right? So create do the arrow and create a new shape in front of start. You don't need to bring the new shape. Just click on start. And you see that arrow, that blue arrow pointing out. Click on it. No. To your left.
Thank you.
Muiwa, untick this. Unclick.
To the right or left?
Unclick it. Then you see where this arrow is to the left. Just click on that arrow. I'm hearing myself out, please. Who is that person? Just click on the blue arrow out there.
You mean this one, Abby?
You know what? When you want to create another arrow, a conjoining arrow, or the arrow is it. I'm hearing myself. Please, can that person mute?
Please, it might be me. Please, can you mute me?
Okay.
I'm still restarting my laptop.
No, it's not you, it's me. I'm using my phone and my laptop because the network on my laptop is fluctuating. So
all right.
Can you mute on one, please?
I've done that.
All right, thanks. So
is it okay now?
Yeah, it's fine. See that blue to the left.
Okay.
It's like a faded arrow.
Exactly.
Yeah, that one.
That's it. Yes. Just click it and create one of the shape. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, so that's that. So for instance, if it's in the middle here, you just click on that and move everything out of that space that you want to create the space for and connect it.
Okay.
Yeah. But don't do this like this is not right. Having a process starting before start. Start. Just delete that one. Yeah. You can move your stuff back. It won't move or it will leave start out of it. You've not highlighted everything. It looks like your system.
I think his system is
hanging. Yeah. Okay. Can I stop him from sharing? Okay. Can you stop sharing?
Okay.
All right. Okay, so nobody else has their process map. Salome, is your system back?
Not yet.
Okay. All right. Maybe we hope it is back before the end of the session.
Okay.
All right. So who wants to show me their user story?
We can go to that prep major. I amended the stuff.
Amended what?
The one we work on the first day. We have to submit.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can share your screen if you want to.
Okay.
Now it's time for user story and acceptance criteria. Sharing screen.
Muiwa.
Okay. I think one was sharing before. Balsamic. Is your system hanging?
Yes.
No.
I mean,
You may want to close some of your tabs that you've opened. Okay. Can you stop sharing so someone else can share while you sort out your system issue? Yeah.
Isma, please share for us.
Israel.
What am I sharing? Is it the
Yeah,
story?
Azure DevOps.
Oh, Bukola is sharing.
All right.
Bukola, if you can go to your board, not from this part. If you go to backlog, no. Yeah, backlogs. Mm-hmm. Are you using it salad?
it's salad. It's salad.
It's nice. It's nice. Did somebody say Nightel? Jesus, people are old people.
Ancient people.
Old people. Now I know some people's age.
Yeah, exactly.
Nightel. Oh my God.
Even the fact that you know it also say something.
I don't know such. I don't know things like that. I only know it is a lot.
The boot is light blue. They call it boot.
Muiwa. Okay.
Is that the only way I can access it, or I can just go through board?
You can go through boards. But I don't. Yeah, let's try that. Why is it not letting you access back? Oh, it's still rolling. Same thing. You're using it a lot.
Oh, okay.
Finally, we are here.
Yes. So the one I just worked on is that's student.
Okay. Oh, that's Muiwa's announcement. Let's go through Muiwa's. Oh, nice. That's student. Okay. As an instructor, I want to be able to ask students to a course so that students can access all learning materials. Okay. Log into my account. How many then do you want to use? Auntie Bukola. How many then do you want to use in your assessment criteria? So you can always use and whenever you, because what you're saying is that's the result. So your given is your condition. No, wait. Your given is your precondition. Your when is your condition, and your then is your result. Yeah. So you can use and when, but don't use then, or when. You get. You can use and because it's still following the precondition. All right. So please change that then to and. And I can view and I can view. Yeah, so remove that C and change it to view. So you're supposed to select the course, not enter it. It's not a free text. So there are two things. So you put them together, you join them together. So it's not student that you want to add. The first thing you want to do is select the course you want to add the student to, right? And then you enter their email address, where I can select the course.
Let me remove the particular.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Let me remove it or should leave it?
No, it's fine. The particular is fine.
Where I want to, where I can select the particular course I want to ask.
Where I can enter the email, like instead of saying type and use enter, like it's just, it gives it more techiness. And enter another field where I can enter in the email address of students. Okay. And the add student button. When I click on the button, then the student must be added to the course. I have selected. You are the one selecting it. They are not the one selecting it. Okay. So you wrote must twice.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go through this again if we do not miss any step. Okay, you navigate to the landing page, you log into your account. After you log into your account, so I think one step might be missing. So after you've logged into your account, it's after you have logged into your account that you should be able to view the site navigation panel first.
Yes.
So and I can view the site navigation panel then, so instead of saying navigate, change it to view the site navigation panel, and then afterwards we click on the add student, because that step is missing, and I can view the site navigation panel and I click the add student menu on the side navigation panel, because you have to do that before you even redirect you.
And
so why don't you put that in another this and the and I wait. You see this and I view a field where I can enter, right? Why don't you wait? Just put it on another line. Press enter. No, in front of the and. In front, no, not that one. Not that one. The and I view. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, so you want to click on it first. I'm not telling you the story now. Continue.
I click on the what?
It's a menu rather than a button, to be honest, or an icon. So you can either say it's an icon because where is it located? Where is it located?
On the left-hand side.
Where is the Add Student icon located?
Part of the side navigation panel.
Exactly. So put it on the side navigation panel. And change this at the A to capital and try to highlight it so that anybody that is reading will know that you are talking about something different. Because it's an important feature.
I didn't get that, please.
So I said change the A to a capital A and highlight it so that the person that is reading will know that it is an important feature.
That's right.
And highlight it, make it bold or put it as italics, just make it different. Not the add student is an icon, the entire thing.
Okay.
Where is it located?
Side navigation panel.
Okay.
Is it on the side navigation or in the side navigation?
What do you think? What do you think? I didn't hear it, to be honest. Sorry.
In.
Why is it in?
Because it is when you click on it that you can now view the icons under it. Once you click on.
So are you going to say that a menu is in the header? It's a question.
Okay.
I'm asking a question. I'm expecting a response. Yeah. Okay. So the side navigation panel works like the header as well.
Okay.
How you will treat the header, treat it as such.
This Add Student, is it going to be an icon?
It's an icon and also a menu. Remember, all the menu on the side navigation panel has icons.
Okay.
All of them. So that's where your wireframing comes in. This story cannot go in without the wireframe because the developers might not get it without the wireframe.
Okay.
Okay, so one more step is missing. So when a user clicks on this add student icon, what happens? What happens?
A form should come up. A form should pop up.
Are you
Fill in
sure?
and add.
Are you sure that is a form?
Oh, sorry. Add
Like a
students.
pre-test
So
where you can enter
a
the
list of
email.
names of students.
So on that, no. So when you click on a menu on the header, what happens?
It brings out everything that's.
So that bringing out what is it? What does that do? Huh?
You can view.
No. Stay with me. If you click on About Us on the menu or on the footer, what does it do? What does the system do?
Redirecting.
Exactly. So when you click on the Add Student icon, what does it do?
It will redirect
You to where?
where I can enter the student
No,
details.
it redirects you to where? Forget about what you are entering. Where does it redirect you to? So what are menus for? What do you use menu for? Like on a website, on a web page now, when you go to a web page, this is for everybody. This is not just for Bukola. What do you use menu for?
To view.
View what?
Other features.
Other features?
You need menu to
Yes.
access different parts of the website or
Okay,
application.
so those parts of the website, what are they called?
They are pages.
Exactly. So so every menu takes you to a page of the website. So it helps you navigate through the different pages of the website. So when you click on the Add Student icon, what does it do?
Takes you to the page where you need to add students.
So instead of saying take you to the page, what will you type?
Redirect me to the page.
Exactly. So that's it. So that step has to be there. What will you type? Exactly. So that's it. Ah, who is this person? Who is doing DJ with my voice?
Mayowa.
Muyiwa.
Muyiwa, sorry. DJ Muyiwa.
I'm sorry.
No. Remember what you've been writing. Remember what you've been writing. 1 minute, Victoria. Please let's just go through this quickly. I'll call you. Anybody wants to help her?
Kingsley,
Yes.
come to my rescue.
And I click on the Add Students icon on the side navigation panel. And I select.
No, you're not selecting anything. Remember, we are saying it's redirecting, right? So that's what she wants to write.
And I am redirected.
Exactly. So.
Okay.
You don't, it's not the system, it is you. So where?
Add student
Our
page.
student page.
Exactly. You guys are killing it. Okay. So also I like this as student page. Let them know that it's different. Like you're saying is important. Okay. Yeah. So those are the steps that we're missing. You can close the gap. So when you click on the button, what's the name of the button?
Our student button.
Exactly. The reason I'm doing this is because it helps you with less questions. It helps you with less firing. If you write detailed story and like you've captured all the steps that you're supposed to go through, it helps you with it is easier for the QAs to understand and also the developers. So yeah, let me quickly respond to Victoria. Hi Victoria, I see your hands are up. I believe it's a question.
Yes, good evening, Bolu.
Good evening.
Yeah, thank you so much. Please, I want to share my Visio. Actually, my story, I have a lot of impediment, personal impediment due to the time, but I'm trying to catch up. So I just work on something this evening. I just wanted to help me to check if I put me through.
Your Visio or your user story and acceptance criteria?
No, Visio.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Let's just complete this one and then I will ask you to share your story.
Thank you.
All right.
Should I view announcements
please
by
open
Muiwa?
up announcements by Muiwa, our
Okay.
DJ. DJ Muiwa on the beat.
Pop,
On
pop,
the
pop,
beat
pop.
of steel.
Blue skies. No.
Open is very blue.
I can't find it.
That's
Okay,
it now. Okay.
Muiwa, are you there?
He's here.
I'm here.
Oh, hey, come and carry your cross.
No. I'm here.
Okay, so it will be as an instructor because it's not a registered user that would send this. As an instructor on Prep Major websites. So when you want to do your when you are writing your user story,
Okay.
like I said, always ask these 3 questions. Who is using it? That's how you get your user as a user. What are they using it for? That's how you get your I want to. And your why are they using it? That's how you get your so that. So as a user, now we are talking about announcement. Having said this, Prep Major is one word, Auntie Kuala. Thank you. Having said this now, let's think about your story together. So as a user, who is the user?
Instructor.
Okay. What do they want to do?
Make announcement. Oh, sorry, Muiwa.
I want announcement.
You want to what?
To click announcement.
No,
I want to be viewing
forget about
announcements.
clicking. You are not clicking in user story.
Now, I think they want to, instructor want to add announcement to the students.
They want to what?
Add announcements to the students.
Okay.
For the students to view.
Sorry, can it be the instructor wants to make announcements? Is it possible?
Exactly. That's what the instructor wants to do. But why are they now making the announcement? I want to make announcement to who? Who are they making the announcement to?
To the
So
students.
these are like students. Is it all the students or student registered to their course?
Yeah, students registered to that course.
Huh. So why is he writing in red? What did Muyiwa do? You not like Muyiwa. Why are you putting this in red?
And you are now putting white. Isn't that the worst?
When I'm talking Baragi.
Please, it's no longer in red. It's no longer in red. Yeah, it's not in black, but it's boldened. You can type. Yeah, just yeah.
I want to
So is it really make? Is make the right a good word or good? I want to create an announcement.
I mean, yeah, it is the word is your oyster. The truth is, this is what I do. Like when I'm writing a story, I write it out first, that's in my head. Then I begin to make changes because sometimes when you are writing these things, like you are just thinking about it and writing it down, but go back and edit it and look for the best word that is most suitable. So yeah, I mean, you can say create announcement because it makes it's more professional and techy. To say create. I want to create announcements. You get so. But if make is the first thing that comes to your head as you are writing it, because you don't want to lose that inspiration or line of thoughts as you are writing, and then you can always go back and just review it again and again and see how you can make it better. Okay. So you want to create announcements to.
Is it create announcement button or create announcement?
So what you are doing is announcements. Forget about the button now. You are not creating an announcement button.
This is not a criteria. This is not a set of criteria.
Exactly. On your user story, you are talking about your user story is encompassing what. So, like I said, is answering 3 questions: who, what, why. Who is the user? What are you doing? What are you using this thing for? So are you going to say, okay, for instance, now, are you going to say, I want to, are you the one creating that button? If you are not creating the button by yourself, I mean, that is not a developer that will build the button, then it doesn't need to be in your user story. Whatever you are not, how do I explain it? So it's just like saying that I want to, will a user create, so like an end user now, will you go on a website and create a button? The question is to you, Muyiwa. As a user, as a regular user of a website, will you go on a website and create a button?
No.
Exactly. But will you go on a website that you have an account and create announcements to students that are registered under your course?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Muyiwa, come back to us. Come back to us. So you have students registered under you, right? On a particular website. You are an end user. Let's forget you as a BA now. You are not the one writing the story. You have a website. You are on you are on Udemy, not on Prep Major, as an instructor. You are one of the tutors on Udemy, right?
Okay.
You have students registered that are taking your course.
Okay.
However, Udemy has given you a functionality or a page whereby instead of you sending messages one after the other to all your students, you have a page where you can create announcements, and it just once you create that announcement, all the students under your course get that message that you are trying to pass across. Right?
Yeah.
So when you go on that website, will you go to that page if there is a need and create announcements?
Sure.
But will you go on that page and create a button? Can you go on that page and create a button?
It's the function of developers.
Exactly. So that's what your user story is focused on. But when you get to the acceptance criteria, and there is a need, is a criteria that, oh, this is how I want the shape of the button to look like. This is now, that is no longer a user. Now you are giving criteria for how the website should be developed. Because you are using I, doesn't necessarily mean that, oh, yeah, you're talking in user term, but you are also saying this is the criteria that must be fulfilled before this user can be able to use this website. Of course, this is the backend. Okay, let me explain it this way. Your user story is high level. Your acceptance criteria is low level. So in your acceptance criteria, I begin to go into nitty-gritty of all the processes that the user has to take before they can fulfill that journey of creating announcements. Does that make sense?
Yes, yes.
All right.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Yeah, you want to create announcements for who?
We work for who?
Or to whom?
The students.
For the students.
Okay. Students, is it all the students that are on the website?
Prep major students.
Is it all the students on Prep Major that you are taking?
So it will be all the students that are registered to that course.
Exactly. Thank you, Kingsley, for coming to my rescue. After
Kingsley, my guy.
That's beautiful.
I want to create announcements for all
so that students,
all the registered students.
So that students.
Sorry, my attention was distracted. I was distracted by the phone. I want to create announcements for.
So that students who are registered to the course can view their.
I want to create announcement for.
Wait now, wait. You push wait for her now. She's still in I want to.
Oh.
I want to create announcement for.
Students registered to the course, to my course. For students registered to my course.
Registered.
Or enrolled to my course, anyone you call it.
Yeah. Like anything to make your work look sophisticated.
Enrolled, yeah.
To my course. I better remove the register then. Okay. So that student registered to my course can so that
you can use so that they can
so that they can view.
Yeah, so that they can. That's nice. So that they're repeating it. So they can view the announcements.
Not daily updates.
Is it view or receive? Are they not receiving something?
All right, yeah.
When you create the announcement, what then happens? Are they not going to receive it? So that they can receive, I think. That's what I think. What do you guys think?
Yeah. Or is it the idea? It's the idea not for them to be updated.
Yeah, so that they can receive whatever it is that you are sending and stay updated or get informed. Or yeah, so what's the reason why you are sending the announcement? Okay,
So
yeah,
that they can
let's
receive
do it
it.
like this. Okay, so we've answered the who and what question. Now it's time to answer the why question. Why are you sending out the announcement to your students?
So that they can receive it. So it is not left to them to view it or not.
Exactly.
So that they can stay updated.
Okay, that's another way. Okay, so any other?
They can receive daily updates.
Because it might not be every day that you're sending out.
Exactly. Yeah.
Might not be every day that you're sending out announcements. What if you're not sending it out every day?
Okay, so that they can receive updates.
Update about what?
About the announcement now.
No.
About their registered course.
Exactly. So about the course, because if you're updating them based on something. There's a baseline for the update. There's another it's almost 10 o'clock.
So that they can receive. Is that okay?
About what? Update is for what? The update that they are receiving, what is it for?
Or register course.
Course updates.
Updates on registered course updates. Okay, so it's up to you how you want to
update on their registered courses. On their registered course.
All right.
Oh, sorry, you're using enroll on their enrolled course.
Yeah, consistency.
Yeah, good. Enrolled course.
Okay, let's go through this. Scenario 1 is when the login is successful.
Please share your screen.
Okay, wait, just wait.
No, it's this alert I'm using here.
When I am given I'm a registered user, when I log into the user page and I click on the announcement panel, and there is a drop down with various news medium, and I click on preferred news button. What kind of announcement is Muyiwa creating? But Muyiwa, to be honest, this is a great upgrade to what I saw before. Well done. I'm so proud of you, to be honest. Even though it's not about news, but I'm really, really proud of what you wrote. And I'm not kidding. I'm very, very proud of you. This is good. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
But yes, we'll do some readjustment to it. Okay, so I don't think you need the scenario of when it fails, because even if you don't, the announcements icon is on the side navigation panel. So if you don't get into your account, you cannot even get to the announcements. You get, so without you successfully logging in, you can't get into the announcements. You can't get to that page. So I don't think we need this second scenario of when it fails. You get, because the thing is, without you getting into your account, you can't even see the side navigation panel at all. So let's not do login successful and login failed. However, we are missing some steps in this acceptance criteria. So you guys, over to you. Kingsley and crew, over to you. What steps are we missing? When I log into my account. So now this is not going to be registered user, it will be as an instructor. And you don't put comma and full stop in giving. Why are you deleting it like that?
So given I am a registered you, given
It's
I'm
no
an
longer
instructor.
registered user, you're an instructor. Given
I already heard what you said. That's why I just delete everything.
Given I am an instructor and I log into my
on where? On Prep Major website, please include it. Because you can be an instructor anywhere.
yeah.
What if you're an instructor on Udemy?
That would be nice.
Okay.
And I log into my dashboard, into my account, sorry.
Why is she deleting it like that when you can easily just, you like work?
Yeah, I'm not I'm not computer guru like that. So now which I know I did do.
You are a computer
it's not
guru
computer guru anything. It's just me, but maybe because I'm lazy. It's just to edit.
Because you're conversant with a lot of things on the.
It's not conversant. I'm just a very lazy person that always finds shortcuts. Always.
You
always
are a computer guru. Just take it. Everybody is guru at their own level. As long as they can operate the computer.
He's a guru.
That's her own level.
Okay. Sorry. Over to you guys.
What is a registered user?
And I log into my account.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
So when you log into your account, what then happens next? No, just put enter because this is still valid, right? It's just that you will change it. No, you are not redirected because when you log into your account, there's a step called redirection. You are not redirected because this. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say what it's supposed to be. But when you log into your account, still on the home page, you are going to see something.
Yes, like you're successfully logged in.
No.
Button
where is the side navigation panel?
Yes, so first of all, when you log into an account,
when
you're redirected to your dashboard, or
no,
are you not?
No.
That's a redirecting, isn't it?
No. When you log into your account, you are redirected to the landing page, right? And on the landing page, we are going to have the side navigation panel.
Is it a landing page now? Because it doesn't seem like a landing page.
It's always a landing page. That's always been a landing page
when you log into your account.
So that's it. The page you see when you log in is called a landing page.
Yeah. Home page or landing page.
Are you guys done?
No, sir. We are not even halfway there.
Oh, the DA is already kind of like finished.
The DAs?
Yes.
They're always the last people to finish. How come they finish?
Yeah, they started 8 o'clock today anyway.
Okay.
So
can you give them more time, sir?
How long do you need?
I mean, give the DAs more time, sir.
How long did you guys need? So
30 minutes.
Half an hour. Okay. All right. I'll come back to let you know whether you've got it or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
All right. So what I'm saying is that homepage is www.prepmajor.com. That is homepage.
Homepage?
Yes,
no,
that is homepage.
It's the same thing as landing page.
So
the first thing you see on any page is the landing page. So it's the same thing as the home page. Home page, landing page, same thing.
Is it?
Yes.
From my understanding about software development and the marketing, I think they are two different things. This is why I understand, and I could be wrong. So a landing page is a page that it's a page you see when you click on a link that you're given to, whether it's through marketing or not. Then the home page is the unchanged page, the page that represents the face of the company. And that's where, that's the like prepmajor.com, if it's .com that we have. That prep major, no slash, no other place. Like this azure.com.
I'm just going
That
to
is the homepage.
Okay, no worries. I'm just going to quickly share my screen and show you something.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to stop it and I'm going to show you this. Okay, so you said prep major, yeah? This is prep major. This is the first thing you see when you come on the page. Like when you...
Yes, this is prep major.
Okay.
Prep major has decided to make qa.prepmajor.com. If they have decided to make qa.prepmajor.com their homepage, but it doesn't seem that way because prepmajor.com is a main domain, is a main website. QA is a subdomain of
okay. This is the test environment. It's the same thing. It's not a subdomain.
Okay.
It's just a test environment. Now I'm going to the home page. I'm clicking on the home page, and I just want to show you exactly what you see.
We are still here.
Are you
we are
seeing?
still on the QA.
I just clicked on home page, and you are seeing it. So landing page.
So
the first thing you see when you come on a website, home page. The first thing you see when you come on a website, they are the same. So if I click on login, now I am taking an action on that page. So when I clicked on this URL, it brought me to the landing page without doing any action. And then I clicked on home. Now I'm in the, wait, hold on. Now I'm in the website, right? I'm now in the website.
You are logged in, yes.
Yeah, I'm logged in. Like I've taken action. Now I've clicked on home page. Right? I'm clicking on home page. You can see that it's rolling. This is the same thing. So this was what I was saying, that after you've logged in, then actions will start coming up. But if I log out, you wouldn't see the site navigation panel.
So that's what I'm trying to say is that's because Prep Major decided to make their home page the same information except the authorization that is given to the site except the site navigation panel that leads to other panel. They still made that their home page the same page you see whenever you log in. Prep Major decided to do that, which I don't know, doesn't seem industry standard anyway.
That's not true.
No dashboard.
It's not true. Because I've seen a lot of websites and I've gone through a lot of websites that their home page and their landing is the same. However, in some applications, some apps if you are, no, not most.
In most apps.
No, that's an incorrect statement. That most is not correct. Yeah, it's not a correct statement. That most is not correct. You can say many, but you see most is not. Like there are, even at my workplace, the landing page, if I click on same thing. If I click on landing page, it's still the same place it will take me to. I mean, if I click on the URL and it redirects me to the page, I'm seeing the same page as the home page. So there are so many designs like that. However, in some applications, like especially phone apps, they have a separate page. I can't remember what they call it in UX. I can't remember exactly what they call it in UX, but it's not landing page, they call it. So it's the first page you see before you then go into take action or before you enter your username and password and all of that. So you can't say that because a particular website, when you go into the website and you click on the home button and you see the same thing, it doesn't meet industry standard. That's a wrong statement. And it's not all websites that has.
No, definitely when you click, if you are able to log in and you still click on the homepage, it will bring you to the homepage, but you're still logged in. That's correct. That's completely correct.
Okay. So for the sake of not elongating this argument, we're going to say that Prep Major has the same landing page as the home page. Okay, so color your screen because it's already, we have just 10 minutes and I want to try and help other people.
The color.
Sorry, Bukola, no, Kola, sorry, Bukola. Or Kingsley, share your screen, or Muiwa, anyone.
Can Ruby share?
Yeah. I want to quickly help Victoria.
Okay.
We have 10 minutes more.
But the announcement, we can fine tune it this night now.
Hi. Kingsley,
Yes.
are you sharing your page?
I'm sure
Okay,
you
please
save
go
first
ahead.
before you please save it though before because you can lose.
Please go ahead and share. Go ahead and share,
Kingsley,
please.
please before you leave, click on save. You get, because if you don't save it, you might lose what is there. Azure can be very
I don't remember what I did here.
yeah, just click on cancel and then save before you close it, before you leave that page, because you might start looking for that story and not find it again.
Okay.
Yeah, Victoria raised her hand again. Hi, Victoria.
Hi, Polo.
Yeah, I remember that you're here. I see you.
Hi, Polo. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Would you be able to check the Ruby's? Would you be able to check the Ruby's team one later? Because I have some user story there I wanted you to go through to see if I have any.
Okay, can we have a meeting tomorrow? Because tomorrow I'm closing work by 1 p.m. because they said it's our mental awareness week. So they gave us half day. So maybe we can meet for, if you guys are available for 3 p.m.
I'm not going to be available at that time. I'll still be at work.
When will you be available?
I'm usually available 7-ish in the evening because when I finish, I have to make my way down. So tomorrow is my day in the office.
Oh, I 8 days in the office.
Yeah.
I will be available, Bolo, because you are yet to check my too.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Even if you guys meet up, if I can't make it, maybe just leave some notes for me if there's anything I need to amend or anything. So I'll know what to do.
Oh, okay.
So when I come back, I can just go through it and do any amendment I need to do.
Yeah, that makes sense, to be honest.
Wow, boy, it would have been nice if I could see what you were doing, like, but if I can't, that's fine. I'll do the amendments
because the thing
afterwards.
is, I have another meeting by 6 p.m. that
All right, okay.
7, and then you guys have daily from 7 to, and I'm not the one taking tomorrow's class, so I'll have used tomorrow's opportunity to also continue today what I was doing today. I'm not taking tomorrow's class. You guys have gap analysis tomorrow, right?
Who is taking us?
Her name is Okay.
Oh,
And
she's
she's a
as
very good
interesting.
teacher.
Okay. Okay, I bet you. See, since she said she's a very good teacher, then
Yeah,
I
she's
believe it.
very good.
If she's not good, what should we do?
Nothing. There's nothing you will do to me. I will run away. But she's good. She's really good. We've worked together on projects. She is regularly the PO for most of the sets. Yeah.
Please, who is sharing screen?
Yeah, I'm waiting for them. I was waiting.
Okay, hello, Bolu.
Victoria can share now. If they
Oh,
are not
Victoria.
ready.
Yeah, if they are not sharing, Victoria, just share your screen so we can quickly go through this before we are kicked out of this room.
Okay, thank you. But please,
Bukola started sharing again.
okay, some people are sharing already.
You don't know the announce.
Bukola, you can't
Emerald,
keep
is
on
it
doing
possible for
this.
us to
Emerald,
Can you
as
stop
well?
sharing?
Can you
You
guys
don't know
help
the
us?
announce.
You don't know the announce.
Yeah. Only wanted you to save this story so you don't lose it.
No, it was not even this one. Instantly, he wanted to leave a particular page. If he had left, might just use that. Can we meet tomorrow so that I can quickly help Victoria before they kick us out? Like the same time with Ruby. So I'll go through Ruby first and then come back to you guys, or I'll complete this story first and face Ruby. Right?
Around what time, please, Paul?
3 p.m. or 4? Before 5, sure.
Let's see. 4.
4 is okay.
Okay, 4 is fine. Okay. Yeah, 4. 4. So you guys have me from 4 to probably 5:30. I pray end by 5:30.
6 o'clock.
I say I have a meeting by 6. You still want me to jump from meeting to meeting? Have mercy. Help me. I have a meeting by 6 tomorrow. I've been abandoning those people, so I need to meet them tomorrow.
Don't worry, we are preparing for Minister of Information Technology in Nigeria.
Right? From your mouth to God's ears, my brother.
New
From
Nigeria.
your mouth to God's ears. Not Nigeria. What about here?
New Nigeria.
Yeah.
Bukola, can you allow Victoria share?
Please, allow Victoria share.
I'm not the SM.
Mrs. Idon. Mrs. Idon, please. Victoria, please do share your screen.
Okay, please, this is my story. Actually, I've not yet transferred it.
Oh, is your story? I thought you were looking
Yes,
at
I
the
have
process
both.
map.
I have both. This is my story, and I have the Visio also. So I didn't know the one I should share for.
Oh, okay. Let's do your Visio because story will take time. I can quickly just give you feedback on your Visio very quickly because I feel like Oga will soon come and throw us out of this room.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's
Are you
just do
seeing
your
it now?
Visio. Are you available tomorrow?
Around that, by what
3
I
minutes
will be
more.
available by 3, 4.
4.
Yeah, I will be on the road.
Oh, okay. But your story, you have not put your story in the backlog. Can you put it in the backlog this night?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, I can just give feedback and then your teammates. So you guys, I just want to say something to you, all of you, that it is very important for you guys to work together as a team. Like help each other as much as possible. Don't let anybody be left behind. You get so as much as you can carry everybody, carry everybody. Aside this meeting that we have, find time to meet as well, share knowledge, share, oh, okay, I know how to do this better. Okay, let me just teach you. This is what you should do. This is how you should navigate. Oh, this story, I think if you add this and this, it will be better. Do you get? Rather than just do your thing on your own. It will help you. It's very, very helpful. The more you teach, the more you know. Okay. Victoria, quickly share. We have Deosu. You have 2 minutes. Abi, is it 2 minutes, Auntie? 2 minutes. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'm
Oh,
actually
use
behind.
Dropbox.
So I just want you to put me through, please.
Oh, okay. So first things first, go to more shapes.
More shape.
Yeah. Yeah. Click on that. Go to flowchart. Flowchart. Yeah. Yeah. Now click on basic flowchart and cross-functional flowchart. Basic.
We've got 1 minute. 1 minute,
Okay,
please.
sir. Yes, sir. Basic flowchart and cross-functional. Click on that, please.
Okay.
Yeah, and cross-functional flowchart. Cross-functional. Yeah,
Okay.
cross-functional.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is your swim lane, and those are your processes.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's where the issue started from. First of all.
I use
So
connector.
yeah, you can, if you go to view, click on view.
Where is view? Okay.
View.
View. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay.
Click on auto connect. Yeah, it should be good from now. So you might need to create another one and use Streamlink, and then yeah. But
So what
you
about the content?
you get the basic idea though. Yeah, you get the basic idea. Yeah, registered customer system. So you drew this. Oh, okay. I see what you did. I see what you did. Yeah, you get the idea. Yes. Of course, there are other things that the system will do. When you click on find products, I think the system has to respond and all of that. But yeah, let's see. You might still meet us tomorrow on the call.
Okay, by 4?
Yeah, like it will be from 4 to probably 6, most likely. I will try to be 5:30 for you. But I have to end it by 6 anyways. So let's go back to the main room before.
Okay, thank you.